Welcome to Old Money Prices 1, your go-to channel for rare coins, old currency, and hidden values. On this channel, we explore real coin prices, history, and what your old money could actually be worth. From everyday coins to rare finds, we keep it simple, real, and informative. If you enjoy learning about coins, collecting, and discovering valuable pieces, make sure to subscribe and join the journey. The coin shown is a 2011 presidential $1 coin featuring Rutherford B. Hayes. This coin is part of a special series created by the United States Mint to honor past presidents in the order they served. The program began in 2007 and released 4 different presidential coins each year until it concluded in 2016. Each coin in the series highlights a different president, along with key details about their time in office. The Rutherford B. Hayes dollar coin represents the 19th President of the United States, who served from 1877 to 1881. On the front, obverse, of the coin, you can see a profile portrait of Hayes facing right. Around the edge of the coin's face are inscriptions that include his name, Rutherford B. Hayes, along with, "In God We Trust, 19th President," and the years of his presidency, 1877 to 1881. The design is simple and respectful, focusing mainly on the president's likeness. This particular coin was minted in 2011 at the Philadelphia Mint, which is indicated by the small P mint mark. Unlike many traditional coins where the mint mark is on the front or back, presidential $1 coins have edge lettering. This means that if you look carefully at the thin outer edge of the coin, you should find the year, 2011, the mint mark, P, and the phrase, E pluribus unum. This feature makes the coin slightly different from other U.S. coins and is one of the interesting aspects of the series. The material used to make this coin is not pure gold, even though it has a gold-like color. Instead, it is made of a manganese brass alloy, which includes copper, zinc, manganese, and nickel. This combination gives the coin its golden appearance while keeping production costs low. Over time, this material can develop discoloration, tarnish, or spotting, especially if the coin has been handled often or exposed to moisture and air. This is likely why your coin appears dirty or aged. In terms of condition, the coin in the image shows clear signs of circulation. Circulated coins are those that have been used in everyday transactions. You can tell by looking at the wear on the raised parts of the design, such as the hair, beard, and facial features of Hayes. These details appear slightly flattened compared to a brand new coin. There may also be scratches, small dents, or uneven coloring. All of these are normal for coins that have been in use for a while. The value of a 2011 P. Rutherford B. Hayes dollar coin depends mostly on its condition and whether it has any unusual features or errors. In general, these coins are very common because they were produced in large quantities. A typical circulated example, like the one shown, is usually worth about $1, which is its face value. In some cases, collectors might pay a little more, perhaps up to $2, if the coin is in slightly better condition than average. Coins that are in uncirculated condition, meaning they have never been used and still retain their original shine, can be worth a bit more. These might sell for $2 to $4, depending on their quality. However, truly valuable coins in this series are usually those with rare minting errors or those graded at very high levels by professional grading services. For example, a coin with missing edge lettering, doubled inscriptions, or other unusual features could be worth significantly more to collectors. One important thing to understand about coins is that cleaning them is generally not recommended. While it might seem like a good idea to remove dirt or tarnish to make the coin look better, cleaning can actually reduce its value. This is because cleaning often leaves tiny scratches or removes the natural surface of the coin, which collectors prefer to remain untouched. Even though your coin is not especially rare or valuable, it is still a good practice to leave it as it is. If you are interested in learning more about your coin or checking if it might have any special features, you can examine the edge lettering carefully. Make sure the text is complete and properly aligned. Sometimes, errors in this area can make a coin more collectible. You can also compare your coin to images of similar coins online to see if anything looks unusual. The presidential $1 coin program itself is an interesting part of modern U.S. coin history. It was designed to educate people about the presidents and encourage the use of dollar coins in everyday transactions. However, the coins never became widely used in daily life, and many ended up being collected instead. As a result, millions of these coins remain in storage or in collections, which is why they are still easy to find today. Rutherford B. Hayes, the figure on your coin, is known for several important aspects of his presidency. He became president after a highly disputed election in 1876. His presidency marked the end of Reconstruction, the period following the Civil War when the federal government worked to rebuild the southern states and enforce civil rights for formerly enslaved people. Hayes also focused on civil service reform, aiming to reduce corruption in government jobs. Even though Hayes is not one of the most famous presidents, the coin serves as a reminder of his role in American history. Collecting coins like this can be a way to connect with the past and learn more about the people who shaped the country. In conclusion, your 2011 P. Rutherford B. Hayes presidential $1 coin is a common but interesting piece of U.S. currency. It shows signs of normal wear and aging, which is expected for a circulated coin. Its value is likely close to $1, though it could be slightly higher depending on condition. While it may not be rare, it still holds historical significance and can be a meaningful addition to a coin collection.